Welcome back viewers. In the last video we have seen the performance test being done on the flash scheduler. It is SCX flash scheduler that we tested. There are no scheduler files enabled here, and we have seen the performance score for multi-core getting a little bit less. Now we are going to test the LAVD uh, scheduler. We have to apply it to the system and it becomes a default or the working scheduler. You can see here it is LAVD scheduler XCS LAVD, and the scheduler profile here you can see multiple scheduler profiles are available. So we will go with the auto scheduler profile here. There are no scheduler flags enabled here. They are not necessary in this scheduler profile. We have to apply this to the system, and uh, in the next few videos, we will check one by one all the LAVD scheduler profiles. We go with the auto. Just again, we will apply this. I don't want the system to change the scheduler profile, well, because we were scrolling it here. Now we can do the test. Now the multi-core tests have started. You can see the tests are performed in the same sequence on both single core and the multi-core of the CPU. Okay, so the test is complete and we will check the results. Okay, let us check out the results and compare it. Yes, you can see here there is not much difference. The single core score has come down little bit, and I think same is for the multi-core score also. So after increasing up to here, this third and fourth test, the scores are going little down in every test that are conducted from this fourth up to the sixth test that we have conducted right now. So that is the conclusion up to here, and we will continue with the test for the remaining schedulers. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.